Hey guys, welcome back to Ti-NspireApps. Today I'll be teaching you guys a little bit about our step-by-step equation solver app and just showing you what it can do and what it's about. This app is perfect for equation solving, which is heavily centered in algebra and precalculus. So if you're taking either of those math classes, and this is definitely the app for you. Let's get into it. So, like our other apps, this app is organized into chapters, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and each is organized into sections, which you see over here in our Help and About section. Let's start with equations. So, equations, I believe this was the step-by-step equation solver. So, if you are confused on how to solve an equation, plug it in. Let's make this 12 instead. We go up here. So this is basically what we wrote in, and then step by step we explain to you how to solve this equation. So we say subtract by 1, divide by 3, and we're showing you how to do that in the meantime. And then the solution is x equals 11 divided by 3, which in decimal form is that. If we make this 5, boom, our answer is given to us right like that, and we're given our answer with steps to really grasp and understand the concept. So let's do one more. What if we made this one 10? Then same thing, what we wrote inside, subtract by 10, divide by 5, solution done, and the decimal point is right over here. Decimal, I guess, answer in decimal form. So we go back to menu, head over to the algebra chapter, and let's do factoring. Why not? Let's use the same example. I'm just going to put in y again. Done. So this is what we put in here. And this is basically how factoring common factors yields right over here. If we go back, so I don't have to rewrite it, we go, let's make this 1, 2y. And then our answer is right here, just like that. Also in the algebra section we have Simplified Expression. So if we make this 4y, take it off of caps lock, here we go, then this is what our answer would be. And that's really fast. So if we say x instead, 4x instead of 4y, then our answer is right there waiting for us. Okay, if you go to functions, this is a very large chapter as well. We usually have a page where you can read how to understand things and really grasp the concept. So that's that. If we go back here, find slope, midpoint, distance, given 2 points. Let's make this 5 and 9. So you're given 2 points. Problem is to find midpoint, distance, and slope, whatnot, and you don't know, you maybe brain fart, you've drawn a blank. This part of the app helps you with that. So given 2 points, and then we have the formulas for midpoint, we plug in the numbers in, answer like that. Distance, same thing, formula, plug in, simplify over here, answer, and then slope over here, point slope form, formula, plug in the numbers. Down here we have slope intercept form, over here, standard form, formula over here, answer down here. Done, just like that. Okay, so exponents and logarithms, also very important. We have pages where you can read and understand the new concepts. Then we also have solve any equation, which is similar to the other solve the equation, but we can use bounds A and B are optional over here, and here are just some examples. Let's make this one easy just for the heck of it. So as soon as I plugged in the problem, I given my answer. This was what, like 1,456. Answer right there. It doesn't matter how big the number is, how small the number is, we will give you the accurate, correct number. And we will usually show you the steps step by step. And then, so this is also exponents and logarithms. If you want to evaluate logarithms, so this is 10, 1, 100, 2, 1,003, and so forth and so on. Base conversions, there are also conversions over here, convert decimals, etc. Convert from base 10 to any base, convert from any base to base 10. Let's try that one. So let's say this is 2, answers over here, there's like steps, and this is answer. And we really stress how our apps really break the steps down for you guys, and to make sure you really understand what you're learning, and so you don't have to relearn it over again. Of course, we have our help and about section down here. We're always phone call, text away, whatnot. And yeah, so this app is equations, algebra, functions, exponents, logarithms, and base conversion. If you are interested in this app, go to www.Ti-NspireApps.com. If you are a college student or high school student and you are taking other math courses and science classes, we have apps for pre-calculus, algebra, physics, statistics, calculus. We also have apps that prepare you for your SATs and ACTs if you are a high schooler. And these scores are pivotal if you want to get into a great college. And with these apps, we can make it happen. Thank you so much for watching.